people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. It's a glam up look for Christmas. Before we get into the video, I want to just tell you that the background is different. This place is different. It's because I'm at my uncle's house right now. I've been hopping everywhere since we've come to Mangalore and it's been fun. It's just that I couldn't carry too much of stuff, and that's why you see my hair not styled and super simple. Please bear with me. Anyways, this whole video is about this makeup look that I've created, so I hope you enjoy that. Before even skipping this whole bit, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and share it with people. Yeah, it's festive season, it's Christmas. We all want to get ready and look fine, so share it with any girlfriend you have. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's go.
Alright, so my skin prep is done and I'm gonna take the concealer by Inside Cosmetic Cover Master for my eyelids, and I'm just gonna coat my eyelids with it. It's going to be like a good primer for the eyeshadow. Then taking this incredible palette by Makeup Revolution, I'm using the shade First Class. I'm going to blend this on my crease. This is a transition shade that I'm using. It's a very beautiful peach shade and I'm just going to blend everything really well. Then using this beautiful brown shade, and it's called Distinguished, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid. So make sure you nicely pat it and then blend it inward. I love this brown color. Also make sure that you have this tape on your eyelid so that your eyeshadow line is very sharp and nice. Then I'm going to take this loose pigment by Star Cosmetic, and it's a beautiful maroon shade. Be very careful when you use it. Make sure you take some of it on the cap and apply it on your eyelid. So I'm going to cover the inner corner to the middle, not exactly middle section of my eyelid, but just going to cover a little more than middle section of my eyelid and soften it out as you see me do it. Going in with your fingertip is also another amazing idea. The pigment is going to come through a lot more stronger if you use your fingers. Then I'm going to use the brown color again just to blend in everything and make sure everything is fine. And then going in with the transition shade, which is First Class, I'm just gonna seal the deal and just blend everything, just giving those final touches. Now taking this color corrector by Krylin, I'm just going to cover my under eye, my nose, my mouth area. It's just basic that I do always, and you just have to cover the area that you have your marks or your pigments, whatever you feel you need to cover. Then I'm going in with the TLC foundation in this shade Revive. This is by My Glam and this is the first time I'm using. I had posted this on Instagram when I purchased this product, and as you see, it is blending in very easily. I'm going to make a separate video for this, explaining, talking about it and just reviewing it and doing a wear test. But for now, I loved it as a base for this makeup look. So what I'm doing is here, I am just applying it first on the areas that I had color corrected so that I don't take excess product. And once I cover those areas well, and if I feel that I need another pump of foundation, I will go for it. I'm going to take a little bit more of the foundation and apply it and just blend everything, just those final touches. I will be going with the blender and just softening the edges. So taking the Krylin translucent powder, and I'm so sorry I forgot to show it on the camera, but I'm going to bake my face with it. Usually for Christmas, any weddings, parties, whatever it is, I do tend to bake my face really well because I'm not somebody who prefers to do touch up when I'm out. So I make sure that my makeup is put together tight and something that is not going to fall apart or needs my attention when I'm out. And again, going in on the same eyeshadow palette and using the brown shade for my eyebrows. Actually, this is the first time I've used a brown color on my brows, and I really loved the way it looked. It looked fuller, it looked very natural. Once that's done, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and taking the Distinguished shade again, I'm just going to fill in the lower lash line with it. Going in with the same pigment that I used for my eyelid, I'm going to apply that from the inner corner to the middle section of my lower lash line and just diffuse the brown color. Also, I will be pushing this color, the pigments, to the inner corner just to give that highlight. Then taking this fat brush by PAC, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder and in the end just blend it in circular motion. But first make sure everything is off your face, all the excess powder. Using the Miss Claire palette in the number 2, I'm using this contour powder. So there are two brown tones, one which is extremely cool and one which is very warm. So I'm going to mix it and contour my face. Always contour your face so that your face has good structure and it doesn't look like, a flat board. Taking this kajal pencil by My Glam, it's a jet set eyeliner. I'm just going to apply a nice thick line on my waterline. For my mascara, I'm using this Rimmel waterproof mascara. I applied a good 2 coats of mascara on my lashes and I went super generous on this because I love mascara. For my blush, I'm using the same palette and mixing pink and brown color to make my own color for my blush. So I'm gonna coat my nose, my cheeks and a bit of chin with this color.
Okay, so here's the final look. I know that you last saw the clip was of the blush that I was putting, but my battery drained, so you guys couldn't see. You just missed 2 steps. That was me putting the highlighter, which was from the Miss Claire palette, and it's this shade. That, and then I did my lip. So I used this lip pencil by Wet n Wild in the shade Chestnut. So this is the shade that I'm using, and if you can see, it's a nice brown color. That is the outline that you see on my lip. And then I use this lipstick just to fill in the inside of my lip, just to give a good ombre effect. So this is the lipstick that I'm using by Lakme 925. It's a lip and cheek tint, so you can of course use it for cheek as well. It's in the shade Rose Touch. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's very simple look, not too much. You can of course skip a couple of steps here and there. I hope you try this. Let me know what are your thoughts. And yeah, I know I am super sweaty right now. It's because I have to put this fan off so that my audio is clear. So don't mind all of that. Please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Any request you have, let me know. On that note, I am signing off. Don't forget to stand tall, stay strong and love strong.